Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful pink makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I did use two palettes to create this makeup look. They are the new Morphe palettes. One is called Sky 5 and the other one is called Love Bite. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to go with the first palette and apply the light pink onto my crease. I didn't apply any eyeshadow primer. You can definitely do that if you want the eyeshadows to pop a little bit more. But as you guys can see, I didn't use one and they still looked good. Then I'm going with the next palette and apply the darker pink onto the outer corner just to give me some depth. I am going for a little cut crease, so I was like, you know what, let me apply that. Then I'm going with a little bit of a concealer and a flat brush and just going to cut the crease a little bit. I haven't cut the crease in a while, so I was kind of nervous that I wasn't going to get it right. And then I can't see. I don't have 20/20 vision, so I wear glasses, so I couldn't really see what I was doing on that eye. Then I'm going with the other palette and use the light shimmery shade and apply that onto the areas that I applied my concealer for the cut crease. Then I'm going with this palette again, and then I'm going with the darker shade and apply this into the outer corner where I didn't apply the concealer, just to give me a little bit more color. Then with that same palette, I'm going to go with that pink right there and apply it to the bottom lash line. And then just using a little brush just to kind of apply it. Then I'm going with my Morphe lip pencil and Makeup Talk and apply this all over my lips. I did line my lips and then I just applied all over the lips just so that my lip gloss lasted a little longer. Then I'm going with, I believe it is, I will list it down below because I don't remember where I put it, but I think this is ColourPop lip gloss and I love the color. It's like a little pinky color. And I thought it was perfect for the lip. You can actually do nude lips, but I'm tired of that. So, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.